My name is Alan Joshua, and I am studying in class 8 in Mountfort English Medium School, Chinnakanal, and I am in front of you to deliver my art integrated project. And my topic is flora and fauna, and my pairing states are Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. So let's move on to the video. Flora of Kerala. Cardamom. Cardamom is also spelled as cardamom. Is a spice made from the seeds of several plants in the genera Elytria and Amomum in the family Zingiberraceae. Cardamom is mainly cultivated from southern Asia, mainly in India, Sri Lanka, etc. Kerala is the largest producer of cardamom. Cardamom is so expensive because it should be harvested by hand. Lifespan of cardamom is 10 to 15 years. It can reach a height of 5 meters. It mainly takes 2 years to grow. Now about rubber. Rubber, also called latex, Amazonian rubber, etc. The family of rubber is spurges. 90% of rubber comes from Asia, Thailand, Indonesia, etc. Kerala is the leading rubber plantation state in India. It accounts to 92% of the country's total natural rubber production. An average rubber tree produces about 19 pounds of rubber. The latex is harvested by slicing a groove into the bark of the tree at a depth of 1/4 inch, that is 6.4 mm, with a hooked knife and peeling back the bark. Lifespan of rubber is 100 years. It can grow at a height of 6 to 10 feet tall. The tree may reach its mature height after only 13 years. Now about tea plant. Tea, also pronounced as Camellia sinensis, is a species of evergreen shrubs or small trees in the flowering plant family, whose leaves and leaf buds are used to produce tea powder. The tea in Kerala state is mainly cultivated from Idukki district and Wayanad district. There are more than 10.12 hectares of tea gardens in Kerala. Idukki and Wayanad produces about 90% of the tea production to Kerala. Lifespan of tea plant is generally between 13 to 50 years. An average height of tea plant is 15 to 20 centimeter. Tea plant takes about 3 years to grow. Next about fauna of Kerala. First of all about Nilagiri Thar. The Nilagiri Thar is a sure-footed ungulate that inhabits the open mountain grassland habitats at elevations from 1200 to 2600 meters of the southwestern Ghats. The Iravikulam National Park in Annamalai Hills, Kerala, is home to the largest population of the Nilagiri Thar, with more than 700 individuals. It belongs to Bovidae family. Lifespan of Nilagiri Thar is about 3.5 years. These are herbivores. They feed on various grasses, shrubs, leaves, etc. They are nicknamed also as cliff goats. Now about Malabar Grey Hornbill. The Malabar Grey Hornbill is a hornbill endemic to the western Ghats and associated hills of southern India. They have a large beak but lack the casque that is prominent in some other hornbill species. They are found mainly in dense forest and around rubber or coffee plantations. They belong to Becerottidae family. Lifespan of Malabar Grey Hornbill is about 50 years. Next about the Indian elephant. Elephants found in Kerala. The Indian elephants are one of the 3 recognized subspecies of the Asian elephants. Since 1986, Asian elephants has been listed as endangered by IUCN as the population has declined by at least 50% over the last 3 generations. Iravikulam National Park is a home to large number of elephants. They belong to Elephantidae family. The lifespan of an Indian elephant is about 48 years. Male elephants can grow up to 2.8 meter and females can grow up to 2.4 meter. Next about flora and fauna of Himachal Pradesh. First of all about wheat. Wheat is the most important cereal crop of Himachal Pradesh and is sown throughout the state in the Rabi except in Lahore and Spiti, Kinnaur, Funky and Barmers areas of Chamba district. It is cultivated in summer, that is April, May to September, October. Wheat belongs to Poaceae family. Lifespan of wheat is about 5 months. Generally, wheat takes about 10 months to grow. Now about maize. Maize is one of the major crop of the state Himachal Pradesh. Maize is also called miracle crop. It is a member of grasses family. It is mainly found in Manti district in Himachal Pradesh. Lifespan of maize is about 90 to 200 days. Maize plant needs about 80 to 95 days to grow. It is mainly grown in monsoon season. Next about bamboo. Bamboos are a diverse group of evergreen perennial flowering plants in the subfamily Bambusaceae of the grass family. The origin of the word bamboo is uncertain. Kangra district in Himachal Pradesh is running bamboo industries. Lifespan of bamboo is about 15 years. A bamboo plant takes about 3 years to grow. First of all, about Himalayan yak. Standing 6 feet tall at the shoulder, the massively built yak is a long bovine found in the higher Himalayan region. The shagger beast has been domesticated, and besides providing meat, fiber, milk and hide etc., yak also serve as the beasts of burden in Spiti, Lahore and parts of Chamba. Lifespan of Himalayan yak is about 25 years. This belongs to Bovidae family. Yak milk is consumed as full-fat milk. Yak's milk contains more protein than cow's and goat's milk. Now about snow leopards. The snow leopard, also known as the ounce, is a large cat native to the mountain ranges of Central and South Asia. It is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List because the global population is estimated to number less than 10,000 mature individuals and is expected to decline about 10% by 2040. Lifespan of snow leopard is 22 years. There are 73 snow leopards in Himachal Pradesh. The family of snow leopards are Fieldae. Now about Himalayan musk deer. Himalayan musk deer occurs in parts of northern Afghanistan, Pakistan, Tibet, Nepal, etc. and in northern India such as in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, etc. It inhabits high alpine environment above altitudes of 2,500 meters. Today there will be only less than 5,000 due to poaching. The musk deer is mainly poached for the sake of perpetual gland secretion. The musk is used in perfumery and oriental medicine. Musk perfumes have big demand in the society. Lifespan of musk deer is less than 4 years. Thank you for watching my art integrated project.